check in with Kyler because there's some activity on this Friday night.
Yeah, there sure is. We've had some severe thunderstorms to the south of Tucson. Right now, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 6:30 just west of Arivaca. And the National Weather Service did issue a tornado warning for this particular storm cell because radar was indicating a little rotation in here. Now, this is over open country. I want to emphasize this is over open country to the northwest of Arivaca, and it is posing no threat at this time, but radar did indicate a little rotation in there. No confirmed tornado or anything like that, and no reports of any damage. And as we go to this source right here, this is a base velocity view of what's happening in that storm. So basically what you see here, any red shades, that's wind going away from the radar. Green is going towards the radar. So when you see these little areas meet, that shows that there's some rotation in there, but on our Barron equipment, we're not detecting any rotation in there as of right now. So it looks like maybe just a little rotation happened for a few minutes and it didn't amount to anything, but this is a severe thunderstorm moving to the northwest at about 15 miles an hour, and it is packing some hail in there as well. And we'll see some of these thunderstorms continuing right on through the evening. We're going to take another look at the radar here coming up shortly.